I want to advise them on only one thing, two things. One was Banyankole Bahororo. They think that these people are different people, but because I'm one of them, I was advising them that it's better to say Banyankole hyphen Bahororo, because what they call Banyankole are people who are born in Zimbabwe, the Antonde, Nyabushozi, Kazo, Ibanda, Kashari, Isingiro. Those are the ones who are strictly called Banyankole. Then the others born in Ruhama, part of Isingiro, part of Shema also a part are called Banyankole. And even Bweju, broadly speaking. But Igara, South Shema, Rujumbura, Chinchizi, although they have a chica there now, but originally it was part of Mpororo. Kajara, Rushenyi, parts of Kigezi, where my grandfathers were the rulers, this place of Kitoma Chakaroro. Those are very much so. Then even part of Rwanda, Mpororo, part of Rwanda, Omtara. So the better description is to say Banyankole hyphen Bahoro. But that one they can do in another census. Now the other issue I raised with them was the issue of finding out Ugandans who have got shares in companies. Otherwise, the whole thing is very comprehensive. That's why I've spent almost like 2 hours here. So I congratulate Dr. Mukiza and his team. I think if this is what they are doing everywhere, then things are moving. And all of you cooperate with them. I hear there are some groups who say they don't want to be enumerated. Stop that, because you are Banyankole will say, Okuchumbagiza, you make us, you interfere with our work, because this information would be used for planning to get solutions to your problems, social, economic, health, medical, because they were even asking me medical questions about eyesight, about hearing, about very useful. So I thank the team. Thank you so much. And I hope you will all cooperate with them. Thank you. Okay. And they refused my tea. They don't take tea when they're enumerating. So that's another issue. I think that's a good, because some of them may take alcohol and forget. Thank you. The media can take pictures and then they go.
Yes, unless you consent. We have just completed been electing His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, his spouse, and his entire household. We have covered all questions, right from the personal information to housing conditions and the services they access. The respondent was very cooperative, gave us all answers to the questions we put before them.